Alright, hello there. I think I introduced the kits that I have. I'm going to kind of show what I bought. I have a 1930 Packard Sport Phaeton. I picked up two of them in the auction. Picked up a 1930 Packard Roadster. Model A sedan. Oh, this chair's all creaky. We have a 1932 Chevy Coupe. We have a Packard Victoria. So I'm trying to see if this is still Hubley or if this is a crossover. Can't tell. We have a 32 Chevrolet Phaeton. Two of those. I've got three 1932 Chevy Roadsters. I've got three Model A pickup trucks. Three Model A Victorias. What's funny is there's price tags on them, and I can see what this person paid for them a long time ago. Gabriel, but it's still the same thing. Got a Model A Coupe. Actually, I got a pair of them. Model A Phaeton. I'm losing pieces, so I got to keep those. Lost a little screw. Got to keep track of these things. Have another Model A Phaeton. Pair of Model A Roadsters. And then I've got three Model A station wagons. So what I was thinking about doing is maybe doing an unboxing kind of video, because I haven't opened any of these up. I bought a ton of these things. I think 4, 8, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25, 26 boxes. So that's not a bad haul. Let's go ahead and start with the Model A station wagon, just to see what we got. So we got a nicely bagged, the box is gone. So if I don't put this together or sell it, well, regardless, I gotta fix the box. I'll have to wrap that in plastic. Let's see what's in this one. Another nicely bagged kit. Well, this is great. I think what I'm going to do is maybe an individual, like each one of these styles of kits, open one of these up and do a different video. And again, bags, very nice, very nice. Get the woody stuff on there. That's interesting. Model A Victoria. Alright, looks like a good chance of being all there. Missing instructions. Okay, box is trashed. Might be a candidate to inventory and show what's there, since the bags aren't rubber banded shut. We'll see if that seems to be a thing. Needs a screw bag. Should be complete. Alright, well, we got some screws. Partially assembled pieces. I don't see any stickers unless they're in the thing here. Some white balls. I don't see stickers. Well, I guess it really depends on which one it is. The box is really, really weak. Two Model A's. Make sure this is showing up good. I'll make sure you guys can see. Okay. Says appears complete. Needs something glued on. Horn glued on. Needs instructions. Okay, so we got some assembly going on. I guess I could photocopy instructions. See if this one's got a set. And it does have some instructions down there. Bag opened up, so this might be a good candidate to dissect. Let's see what this Ford Model 8 tape looks like. Appears complete. Okay, we got some very interesting parts in there. I think this is about 1975 factory. Let's see. Yep. You'll see them. Good deal so far. I'm happy. Obviously, I bought them off the internet, and there was no inspections and really no questions. Alright, appears complete. Wow, really nice and soft. Good deal. Model 8 pickups. These are cool. There's one that's on the completed side that I have. Is this just an advertisement? Okay. Pikes Peak. This aren't the stickers for this. Absolutely not the stickers for this. But I'll take them. I've got a whole collection of stickers in a box. And it appears complete again. Alright, little assembly go on. Front hubs. Okay. Alright. Again, very happy. Not seeing anything that scares me. Alright, we've got Touring, Phaeton, Fix the Box. Window material. Okay. Uh-oh. Bump the camera there. Bag there. Axles and screws. Open shut. I don't know what the standard is. This one is like vacuum sealed. I don't know what the standard was for these back when these were newly minted. Gabriel kit. Alright. Painted. Boy, this thing is painted a long day, but I don't know if you can see like the quality. Let's see if I can turn on the light. Nope, I can't. It's on the back side. The quality of paint's pretty nice. I don't know if you can see the finish. I mean, these things take a shine, it sure looks like. So it's repainted. I got a lot of parts in there. Look at that axle. Isn't that cool? The whole torque tube and everything. Very, very cool kits. I just don't know what I'm going to do with all these things. I've never put one together. Right. So we've got tape around that one, twisted shut, sealed, stapled, tires, nice and soft. Yeah, I'm going to have to inspect this one. There's probably no way at all, unless I inventoried 100% of everything. I can't say appears complete. I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet, but I certainly think I'm not going to keep them all. There's no way I can keep them all. White walls, these are stickers. And then that's the dashboard and the license plate. I don't know how good this is showing up. We got screw bag, sealed, so it's vacuum sealed, or heat sealed. This one's heat sealed. This is a Gabriel system, about 1975. Alright, so this is a good looking box of stuff here. You know, first time I'm trying to do one of these videos with the model cars. It might be a long one. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if there's something you want me to change. I intend to do a video maybe for each one of these. You know, so like do not necessarily an unboxing, but a pull it out. You know, I'll see if I've got everything in the collection, and like we'll do the 32 Roadster one day, and we'll open and we'll inventory everything compared to the instructions. The instructions on these have a full breakout of what's included and the quantities, I believe. But like you could order parts, like the fan was a nickel. I mean, can you imagine ordering a fan for a nickel? This thing's got a little bow to it from time. I don't know how that's going to affect some fit and finish. So it's just sat together, not put together. Engine was painted and screwed in there. I got a little startage going. Really can't unbend that at this point. I might leave that for the professional builders. And we have another one with some bendage. Ouch. Right, this one's not started. I don't see how the screws. White balls are in pretty rough shape. I see loose screws down in here. So this thing's been opened and tampered with. So that's that being 100% complete, probably slim. These boxes are soft. You see this one's completely coming apart up here. Alright, Town Sedan, fix the box. It needs window material. Okay. You've seen that same problem before. Yeah, the box definitely needs fixed. I don't know how you fix it. Okay, so we got a baggie, is it locked in there? Tires, nice and soft. Some of these will be as hard as a rock, and you will never, ever put a rim on them, probably without blowing them apart. All right, 1930 Packard Roadster. Uh-oh, put together. Hold on. That's not bad. I think I'll do I just made up my mind, I'll do a second video of the ones that are put together. So I might just save this to the side. I might have to keep the parts with it though. But it's cool, it's going to come with a box. So this one will go over in the other table. Oh, another one put together. This one they didn't paint. Okay, they didn't glue that down. It's got the spark plug wires on it. Pretty cool. And we got, okay, I've seen a video where somebody had a file and they were like, I wonder if the kit came with the file, because everything, when you look at some of these and you see the flashing from the mold, without a good file, you're not ever going to put one of those together. Okay, great. The interior, the dashboard, white walls in good shape. And this is a Hubley kit, so it's the older one. And so we can see a good fair amount of things there. Bag of screws sealed. I like what I see. I'm going to take these and put them in the book. My dog's looking at me. He's like, you're boring. So he's leaving me. 4 more to go. And we'll try to close this video out. So we got instructions, sealed chrome, Alright, what year is, okay, so this looks like a Gabriel kit. So it's definitely a newer. I don't know what that scribble is. I might have to look it up. Well, we've definitely got baggy. And this one's vacuum sealed, yes. This one's vacuum sealed. Body, frame, the sides. That's cool. These are cool, folks. These are just something I couldn't pass up. I don't know why I did it. But I did. I bought them. I go big. I don't buy an auction and buy one lot. Because the shipping and the handling and everything, you buy everything. So somebody paid $12 for this whenever they bought it. Box is very, very damaged. Chevrolet Phaeton. We are curving. Alright. We're packaged up, and we are Hubley. So far so good. Body, chassis, frame. Half the engine. Hood pieces. See, like the real jagged edges. See how it's real rough. It would need a file. I don't know. That looks a little rough right there. Tire is hard as a rock. Hard as rocks. I mean, I can get a tiny bit of flex. At least these are two-piece wheels. That's good. So I don't know if that would make it otherwise. Yeah, let's see. Got another one just like it. See what condition that she's in. Good chrome. All sealed in the bags. Sealed in the bags. And check this out. This is a Gabriel, so it's a later issue. First time I've seen this. I don't know if they did this or not. I see a bag of screws in there and the axles, steering shaft. We'll just have to see. Box is completely blown out. I don't know if I'm be able to get this on here or not. Mouse eaten. See that? That's lovely. But Gabriel, that's 1975-ish. So 1975, and you get 25, 45, 47 years old. And these have been passed around. Look at that grill. How big that thing is. Okay, we've got a appears to be sealed bag. It's got the dashboard sticker in there. Very flaky. Well, this one does not have a file in it, but the box is actually in good enough shape. I can get it. Big old metal exhaust. Completely jagged edges. You can see how jagged that is. Flashing on that right there. But I'll see how this video turns out. I'll have to do my magic, which isn't much. I know about a hocus pocus, and that's about all. So I hope you enjoyed that. This is the unboxing. Fairly pleased with my purchase. I get 2 kits that are completed, but I think there's a third one with still in the box, but we don't know what anything's worth. So tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see. I'm going to post this, and it might be a week or 2 before I post something else, but just let me know what you think. I appreciate you watching.